Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to flag photos in Lightroom Mobile. All right. As you can see here, I am in the Lightroom gallery. Now, if you do have your photos right here from your phone's storage right here, you won't be able to flag it. All right. So go ahead and import your photos from your phone's gallery to the Lightroom library right here. Let's go ahead and select the photo. For example, this photo right here, as you can see, it has not been flagged. So what we're going to do to make a flag is just go ahead and tap on the top right here, the three dots, tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on info and rating, tap on it. And as you can see here, we have the stars and the flagged check or X. Now here, for example, you approve this photo. So go ahead and tap on the check mark and make sure that it is highlighted. And if you want to, you can go ahead and add in some stars, for example, 5 stars. Now go ahead and move on with another picture. Say, for example, this picture right here. Let's say you want to remind yourself that this photo needs editing. So go ahead and tap on the flag icon right here, which has the X. Make sure that it is highlighted. For example, maybe add a 3-star. So that means that you need editing for this. And when you check this one to your computer, you'll be able to see the same flags and stars. So it will basically remind you that you need something to be done or it needs to be edited. Now, for example, you don't like a particular photo and you wanted to review it on your computer. Say, for example, this photo right here. So what would I want to do with this is just go ahead and tap on the flag icon and leave us 1 star right here. And this means that I need to review it or maybe delete it somehow if I don't like the photo. And that's basically it. As easy as that, you just flag your photos in Lightroom Mobile. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.